Have you ever asked yourself, how do people start an import-export business and sell products worldwide? The idea sounds exciting, but then confusion hits. Licenses, customs, shipping, payments. It feels too complicated. Don't worry, the solution is simpler than you think. In this video, I'll break everything into easy, step-by-step actions so you can confidently start your own import-export business without getting lost in complexity. Step number 1, research and legal setup. If you're planning to start an import-export business, your very first step is deep research. This isn't about Googling for 5 minutes. It's about understanding which products have global demand, which countries need them, and how profitable they can be. For example, organic food products, eco-friendly items, clothing, machinery, or even electronic accessories often find strong demand worldwide. But just because something sells in your local market doesn't guarantee it will succeed abroad. That's why you need to study trade reports, competitor strategies, and consumer preferences. Once you identify your niche, the next task is setting up your business legally. Choose the right business structure in your country, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Register your business officially, get a tax identification number, and secure the necessary licenses. Remember, in international trade, paperwork is not optional. It's your entry ticket. Without proper registration, your goods can get stuck at customs, and that could mean serious losses. So, think of this step as building a strong foundation. Research tells you what to sell and where, while legal setup ensures you're actually allowed to do it. Together, they create the backbone of your global trading journey. Step number 2, get the import-export license and choose your niche. Now that your business is registered, the next big step is to get your import-export license or code. Different countries have different names for it, but the idea is the same. This code or license is issued by your government's trade authority, and without it, you cannot clear shipments across borders. In India, for example, it's called the IEC code, while in the United States, you need to register with CBP and IRS. Applying for it is usually straightforward, and in many countries, you can do it online. Once you have this, you're legally ready to trade internationally. But here comes the tricky part, choosing your niche. A profitable import-export business doesn't sell everything to everyone. It focuses on products that have consistent demand, good margins, and are relatively easy to ship. For instance, heavy furniture might have demand, but it's costly to transport, so your margins shrink. On the other hand, lightweight items like fashion accessories, organic spices, or digital devices are easier to manage. Think about durability too. Goods that can withstand long shipping times are always safer. Choosing your niche carefully ensures you don't waste money on products that look good on paper, but fail in reality. So, your license gives you the legal permission, and your niche gives you the business direction. Step number 3, build global networks and partnerships. In the import-export business, your network is your net worth. Once you know what to sell, the real work begins. Finding reliable suppliers and trustworthy buyers. You can't just depend on Google searches for this. You need to attend international trade fairs, exhibitions, and industry conferences where manufacturers and buyers meet face-to-face. If traveling is difficult, you can join global B2B platforms like Alibaba, Global Sources, or India Mart. These platforms connect you with verified suppliers and buyers from across the world. But here's the important part. Don't jump into deals too fast. Always do due diligence. Check supplier certifications, past performance, and client reviews. Similarly, when dealing with buyers, confirm their financial credibility and payment history. Remember, one unreliable partner can cause delays, losses, or even scams. Building long-term relationships is the key here. For example, instead of switching suppliers every month to save a few cents, stick with reliable ones who consistently deliver quality. The same goes for buyers. Satisfied customers will reorder, and that's where your profits multiply. So, consider this step as building the backbone of your business operations. Without strong partnerships, even the best product idea will collapse in the world of international trade. Step number 4, logistics, payments, and compliance. Now let's talk about the heart of import-export moving goods across borders. Logistics can either make or break your business. You'll need to work with freight forwarders, customs brokers, and international courier services. These professionals help you manage shipping routes, warehouse storage, and customs clearance. But before you ship, you must decide on Incoterms, international shipping terms like FOB free on board or CIF cost, insurance, and freight. These terms clarify who pays for what during shipping, so there's no confusion later. At the same time, payments must be arranged carefully. International business is not like local sales where you can just collect cash. You'll deal with advance payments, letters of credit, and international wire transfers. Setting up a proper business bank account with multi-currency support is essential. You may also explore trade finance options from banks to manage working capital. Compliance is another major area you can't ignore. Every country has its own rules for import duties, labeling, and safety certifications. If you ignore these, your goods can be delayed, rejected, or fined heavily. That's why it's smart to work with customs experts who understand the paperwork. When you handle logistics, payments, and compliance with care, your shipments move smoothly, payments arrive on time, and your business reputation grows internationally. Step number 5: branding, marketing, and scaling up. The final step is making your business visible and scalable. Think about it. Even if you have great products, how will buyers in another country discover you? This is where branding and marketing come in. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your products, certifications, and testimonials. A clean, trustworthy website makes buyers feel confident in dealing with you. Next, focus on digital presence. Use LinkedIn, Instagram, and global B2B platforms to promote your products. Share success stories, customer feedback, and product videos. Online visibility is your 24/7 salesman in the global market. As orders start coming in, don't rush into expanding everywhere. Instead, scale step by step. Begin with one region or product, track your profits, and then slowly expand into other countries. Listen to feedback, improve your packaging, optimize shipping, and always aim for repeat customers. Remember, it's easier to grow with existing buyers than chase new ones constantly. Over time, you can diversify your product range, hire a global team, and even open warehouses in foreign markets. So, branding makes people notice you, marketing attracts buyers, and scaling ensures your business becomes a sustainable international success story. If you found this guide on starting an import-export business helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy business tips.